Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Wapella, Saskatchewan. This small prairie town sits along the Trans-Canada Highway not far from the Manitoba border. Wapella was founded in the late 1800s during the early days of railway expansion in Western Canada. The town's name comes from a Cree word, though its exact meaning has been lost over time. Wapella became a farming community, with settlers arriving from Scotland, England, and other parts of Europe. The wide open land here was perfect for growing crops and raising livestock. Today, Wapella is a quiet, close-knit place with friendly people and a strong farming tradition. You'll see fields stretching out in every direction and grain elevators standing tall on the horizon. Even though it's a small town, Wapella is proud of its history and its role as one of the early communities along the Canadian Pacific Railway. It's a peaceful spot on the prairie where the sky feels endless and the sunsets are always beautiful. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Wapella, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching!